cloud. Now this morning we've got a weak weather front sinking south across Scotland and Northern Ireland, taking some light rain and drizzle with it. That will get into Northern England as we go through the day, and then behind it will brighten up with sunshine, a few showers peppering the far northwest. Whereas ahead of that weather front there'll be variable amounts of cloud, some bright or some sunny skies. Now temperatures today, as I mentioned, a little bit lower than yesterday, 16 in Aberdeen and also Belfast, but we could reach 19, possibly 20 somewhere in the southeastern corner. As we head on through the evening and overnight, here's our weak weather front continuing to weaken as it sinks southwards, taking its cloud and once again its light rain and drizzle with it into southern England and South Wales. Behind it we've got a clear slot, but in the north of the country once again we've got thicker cloud and also some patchy light rain. Windy too across the far northwest. In between both of these areas, though, we'll have some clear skies. And here, somewhere in northern England, in the countryside, temperatures could get close to freezing, but still mild in the south. Tomorrow we start off with the cloud, the patchy light rain and drizzle. Slowly that will move away through the course of the day. There'll be some brighter skies, but showers and then some rain and strong winds in the northwest. And temperatures tomorrow peaking at about 18 degrees. Come on, trainers on.
Onesie.
Yeah. And a hot water bottle. Actually, you don't need a hot water bottle this morning because it is quite a mild start to the day. Good morning to you. Having said that, as we reach our maximum temperatures a bit later, it's not going to be quite as mild as it was yesterday. Yesterday in Lossiemouth we reached 22.3 Celsius. It will be in the high teens or thereabouts today. What's happening is we've got this cold front here. It's sinking south, it's bumping into high pressure, so it's weakening all the time, but behind it the air will be that bit fresher. So many of us today having a fair bit of cloud, especially across England and Wales, with some brighter breaks, some sunny intervals developing. Our weather front sinks south across Scotland and Northern Ireland with its patchy light rain, getting into Northern England later on, and behind it will brighten up in Scotland and Northern Ireland with some sunshine. But there will be a few showers across the northwest, and here too it will be quite blustery. Here are those temperatures: 16 in Aberdeen and Belfast. We're looking at 17 in Birmingham, 19 in London. Now, as we head on through the evening and overnight, our weak weather front continues to push southwards, taking its cloud with it. Still some patchy light rain and drizzle on it. Behind that, some clear skies, and then as we push further north, we start off with some showers. Later, that will be replaced with rain coming in from the north, and again, quite blustery. So if you're under the cloud, it's not going to be a particularly cold night, especially not in southern England. But if you're in the clear skies in northern England, for example, in the countryside, temperatures could get down close to freezing. Further north, Stornoway, around about 9 degrees. So tomorrow we've got the dregs of this weather front draped across southern England and South Wales, slowly moving away. You might get the odd spot of drizzle from it, but most won't. Clearer skies follow on behind with some sunshine. We continue with the showers across the north and the west, and here too another blustery day. Temperatures ranging from 13 in Lerwick to about 18 in Cardiff and also London. Now, heading on through the week, we've got this area of high pressure really establishing itself, and you've got this weather front sinking south. It too will be a weakening feature as it moves across that high pressure. So it comes south out of Scotland, across Northern Ireland and Northern England, introducing all this cloud. Again, not much rain, if anything, on it, but some brighter skies follow on behind. Still windy, though, across the far north of the country. Temperature-wise, 12 to about 18 degrees, so still feeling pleasant for the time of year. Then as we move on into the end of the week and the weekend, high pressure is well and truly with us. We do have weather fronts skirting around the top of it, and you can see for a time on Friday that we're looking at windy conditions across the north of Scotland. But as we head on through the remainder of the weekend, things do remain fairly settled under that high pressure, completely different from what we had last week, and the winds will ease as we head on into the weekend as well. And still, these temperatures not bad for this time of year. Sal.